What can a good VA do for you? My answer is almost anything that a good admin person sitting at the end of your desk can do. We have two what we call VAs, virtual assistants, in our office. We have Lauren, who is admin, and we have Sam, who is marketing. I've got numerous friends and clients, particularly through the Business Blueprint community, who have numerous offshore staff. I don't know that VA is really the term these days. I refer to them as our offshore team. They're not virtual assistants, they're more than assistants. They are definitely team members. But they can do all kinds of things for you. They can answer phones, they can answer emails, they can, in some instances, do basic bookkeeping, they can do quotes, they can do whatever you want to train them up to do. From a personal point of view, you can have them booking flights, doing itineraries for trips, meetings, looking after your calendar, setting up systems in the background, doing Facebook and social media posts, editing videos. Look, the list goes on and on as to what they can do. I've actually got a list of 104 things that a VA can do for you, and that's only the beginning. So if you want to know more about this and how you can take some of the load off your back, you know the easiest way to do it is to draw a square on a bit of paper. And the first square is important and urgent, and that's where you need to do it yourself. The second one is important but not urgent, which means that you can delegate that, create a system, push it down, whether it be to a staff member or an offshore team member, it's irrelevant. It's ultimately about you doing the work that you need to do in your business and pushing down the rest of the work. The other four quadrants, just so you're aware, is non-important and non-urgent, which really you shouldn't be doing. And the other one is non-important but urgent. And that's kind of the squeaky wheel. That's the kind of stuff that happens all day, every day. And again, that needs to be delegated to someone else. So anything that you do with a system that's in place, you can push sideways or down to another staff member, whether they be an offshore team member or a virtual assistant or a bookkeeper or an accountant sitting in the next office is irrelevant. They can do whatever you empower them to do. And don't think that finance is an issue. There are ways of putting security around payments, that they can have authorizations to pay different things with cards. And if you want to know more about that, come and have a chat to me. Okay, thanks.